Welcome back to Cook It Up with Sujata. Today we are making garlic naan on tawa which tastes same as in restaurant. Kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. To prepare this naan, first we will take all-purpose flour. This is 1 cup all-purpose flour. So the second cup of maida. To this I am adding half cup of curd. To this we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. This is cooking oil. This garlic I have grated, so half tablespoon of garlic will add to this since we are making garlic naan. To this I am adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar. This is half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. To this we will add lukewarm water. We will knead this with lukewarm water. First we will mix this. Just add little. We are going to only mix it. Don't have to knead it in any tight dough. Just go on mixing this way. Adding little more water to this. I have taken the lukewarm water in the same which I had taken the curd, so it's looking this color, but this is just warm water. You can see our dough is ready now. This has to be this consistency. This should be a softer one, not the hard. Just the same way what we prepare our chapati dough. Little bit softer you can make. Now I have just used half cup of water. I will apply little oil on my palms and just and keep this to rest for minimum 1 hour. You can keep it for 2 hours for softer rotis. So we will keep this to rest. Now our dough is ready. We will start making the naan. I have taken this much of dough, one big lemon size. So dust. We will put little bit of dry flour and we will roll this. Usually naan are made in oval shape. You can make in any shape you want. You can make round or triangle. Here we are making in oval shape. Just roll this slowly. I have made in this shape. Now to this, these are black cumin seeds and some grated garlic. Now we will just spread some on this and some garlic also. And these are chopped coriander, that also we will just spread it everywhere. And now we will slowly just roll it so that all our things what we have applied get stuck here. Now I will turn this. Just slowly lift this and put it on the other side. It doesn't matter if the shape changes. It looks very nice any shape you do. So just apply a little bit of water on the other side. And now we will put this on the tawa. This is hot iron tawa. I have taken the iron tawa. You can't take non-stick tawa because our naan won't stick to the tawa. So we will lift now this and put it this way. So we will bake this on medium high flame. In restaurant and all, they will use those bhattis where they will stick this way only, but on the walls of the bhatti. We are using the same technique here, but on the tawa. So once the bubbles start coming, we will turn this. Now you can see there are bubbles on this. Now we will turn this. Don't remove the roti, just turn this in this way, and we will see that the fire is spreading all over the roti. I have taken my camera down so that you can see how it is getting baked. You can see everywhere it is spreading. Now you can see our roti has baked nicely. Now just it comes out so slowly, easily it comes out. Okay. Now our naan is ready. So now you can see so nice it has come out. Now I will apply a little bit of ghee. As ghee tastes very well on the naan, I am applying some homemade ghee on this. You can serve with paneer. That tastes very good. Now again we will make another one. We will make in a different shape. Just apply a little bit of dry flour. I'm not making this in oval shape. I have rolled this in a round shape. We will again apply our black cummins, little bit of garlic, the coriander. We will again roll it. Now we will turn this. So on the other side, we will apply water to this. This will go to the tawa now. Now I will put this on the side which I have applied the water. I am again baking this on medium high flame. Once this again bubbles start coming, we will turn this. The bubbles have started coming. Now we will turn this. See that your roti is getting well baked by the heat of the gas. You should have this type of a tawa, iron tawa, and with a handle so that you can lift it and turn. You can see getting baked so well, all the bubbles. We will take it out now and apply ghee on this. This is optional. If you don't want ghee, you can just serve without ghee also. It tastes anyway also good. You can see it is so soft. You can serve this with paneer. It tastes very good. Recipe of this paneer masala I have already shared with you. You can see it in my video also on the screen. So make it and enjoy with your family.